हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं लाइट रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन के टॉप एमसीक्यूज। एंड यार, इन एमसीक्यूज के पीडीएफ का लिंक तुम्हें नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, जिसमें मैंने बहुत कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत नए नए टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को इंक्लूड किया है। फिलहाल मैं तुम्हें कुछ 60 to 65 क्वेश्चंस के अराउंड करवाने वाला हूँ। चलो बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। द लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन होल्ड ट्रू फॉर ऑप्शन ए plain mirror only, option B concave mirror only, option C convex mirror only, option D all reflecting surfaces, and the correct answer is all reflecting surfaces. Next question comes here. Rays from the sun coverage at a point of 15 centimeter in front of concave mirror. Where should an object is placed so that size of its image is equal to size of object? Option A 15 centimeter in front of mirror, option B 13 centimeter in front of mirror, option C between 15 centimeter and 30 centimeter in front of mirror, option D more than 30 centimeter in front of mirror, and the correct answer is 30 centimeter in front of mirror. Next question comes here. When an object is kept within the focus of a concave mirror, an enlarged image is formed behind the mirror. This image is option A real, option B inverted, option C virtual and inverted, option D virtual and erect, and the correct answer is virtual and erect. Next question comes here. A full length image of a distant tall building can definitely be seen by using option A concave mirror, option B convex mirror, option C plane mirror, option D both concave as well as plane mirror, and the correct answer is convex mirror. Next question comes here. Your school laboratory has one large window. To find the focal length of a concave mirror using one of the wall as a screen, the experiment may be performed. Option A on the same wall as the window. Option B on the wall adjacent to the window. Option C on the wall opposite to the window. Option D only on the table as per laboratory arrangement. And the correct answer is only on the table as per laboratory arrangement. Next question comes here. A child is standing in front of a magic mirror. She finds the image of her head bigger, the middle portion of her body of the same size, and that of legs smaller. The following is the order of the combination for the magic mirror from top to bottom. Option A plane, convex and concave. Option B convex, concave and plane. Option C concave, convex and plane. Option D convex, plane and concave. And the correct answer is concave, plane and convex. Next question comes here. In order to determine the focal length of a concave mirror by obtaining the image of a distant object on screen, the position of the screen should be option A parallel to the plane of concave mirror, option B perpendicular to the plane of concave mirror, option C inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the plane of mirror, option D in any direction with respect to the plane of concave mirror, and the correct answer is parallel to the plane of concave mirror. Next question comes here. An optical device has been given to a student and he determined its focal length by focusing the image of the sun on a screen placed 24 cm from the device on the same side as the sun. Select the correct statement about the device. Option A convex mirror of focal length 12 cm. Option B convex lens of focal length 24 cm. Option C concave mirror of focal length 24 cm. Option D convex lens of focal length 12 cm. And the correct answer is concave mirror of focal length 24 cm. Next question comes here. A student has focused on the screen a distant building using a convex lens. If he has selected a blue colored building as an object, select from the following option the one which give the correct characteristics of image formed on screen. Option A virtual, erect, diminished and green shaded. Option B real, inverted, diminished and in violet shade. Option C real, inverted, diminished and blue shade. Option D virtual, inverted, diminished and blue shade. And the correct answer is real, inverted, diminished and blue shade. Next question comes here. Three students A, B and C focused a distant building on a screen with the help of concave mirror. To determine the focal length of a concave mirror, they measured the distances as given below. Student A from mirror to screen, student B from building to screen, student C from building to the mirror. Who measured the focal length correctly? Option A only A, option B only B, option C both A and B, option D both B and C. And the correct answer is only A. Next question comes here. A student determined the focal length of a device X by focusing the image of a distant object on a screen placed 20 cm from the device same side as the object. The device X is option A concave lens of focal length 10 cm, Option B, convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Option C, concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Option D, concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. And the correct answer is concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. Next question comes here. A student obtained a sharp image of a candle flame placed at the distant end of the laboratory table on a screen using a concave mirror to determine its focal length. The teacher suggested him to focus a distant building about 1 kilometer far from the laboratory. For getting more correct value of focal length, in order to focus the distant building on the same screen, the student should slightly move the option A, mirror away from screen. Option B, screen away from mirror. Option C, screen towards the mirror. Option D, screen toward the building. And the correct answer is screen towards mirror. Next question comes here. To determine the approximate focal length of the given convex lens by focusing a distant object, you try to focus the image of object on a screen. The image you obtained on a screen is always option A, erect and laterally inverted. Option B, erect and diminished. Option C, inverted and diminished. Option D, virtual erect and diminished. And the correct answer is inverted and diminished. Next question comes here. A student obtained a blurred image of a distant object on a screen using a convex lens. To obtain a distinct image on a screen, he should move the lens. Option A, away from screen. Option B, toward the screen. Option C, to a position far away from the screen. Option D, either towards or away from the screen depending upon the position of the object. And the correct answer is either towards or away from the screen depending upon the position of the object. Next question comes here. In your laboratory, you trace the path of light rays through a glass slab for different values of angle of incidence such as 3i, and in each case measure the values of the corresponding angle of refraction 3r and angle of emergence 3e. On the basis of your observations, your correct conclusion is option A, 3i is more than 3r but nearly equal to 3e. Option B, 3i is less than 3r but nearly equal to 3e. Option C, 3i is more than 3e but nearly equal to 3r. Next option is 3i is less than 3e but nearly equal to 3r. And the correct answer is 3i is more than 3r but nearly equal to 3e. Next question comes here. To determine the approximate value of focal length of a given concave mirror, you focus the image of a distant object formed by the mirror on a screen. Image obtained on a screen as compared to that object is always option A, laterally inverted and diminished. Option B, inverted and diminished. Option C, erect and diminished. Option D, erect and highly diminished. And the correct answer is inverted and diminished. Next question comes here. Image formed by a plane mirror is option A, virtual, behind the mirror and enlarged. Option B, virtual, behind the mirror and of the same size as the object. Option C, real, at the surface of the mirror and enlarged. Option D, real, behind the mirror and of the same size as the object. And the correct answer is virtual, behind the mirror, of same size as an object. Next question comes here. When object move closer to convex lens, image formed will be option A, away from lens on other side of lens. Option B, toward the lens. Option C, away from lens on same side as an object. Option D, first toward and then away from lens. And the correct answer is away from lens on same side of an object. Next question comes here. Refractive index of four substances P, Q, R and S are 1.5, 1.36, 1.77 and 1.31 respectively. Speed of light is the maximum in the substance. Option A, P. Option B, Q. Option C, R. Option D, S. And the correct answer is S. Next question comes here. Which one of the following materials cannot be used to make lens? Option A, water. Option B, glass. Option C, plastic. Option D, clay. And the correct answer is clay. Next question comes here. A small bulb is placed at the focal point of a converging lens. When the bulb is switched on, the lens produces option A, convergent beam of light. Option B, divergent beam of light. Option C, parallel beam of light. Option D, patch of colored light. And the correct answer is parallel beam of light. Next question comes here. In torches, searchlight and headlight of vehicle, the bulb is placed option A, between pole and focus of the reflector. Option B, very near to the focus of the reflector. Option C, between focus and center of curvature of reflector. Option D, at center of curvature of reflector. And the correct answer is very near to the focus of the reflector. Next question comes here. You are given water, mustard oil, glycerine and kerosene. In which of these media a ray of light incident obliquely at the same angle would bend the most? Refractive index of water is 1.33, of mustard oil 1.46, glycerine 1.473, kerosene 1.44. And your options are kerosene, mustard, water or glycerine. And the correct answer is glycerine. Next question comes here. While determining the focal length of a concave mirror, you try to focus the image of a distant object formed by the mirror on the screen. The image formed on screen as compared to the object should be as: option A, erect and highly diminished; option B, inverted and enlarged; option C, erect and enlarged; option D, inverted and highly diminished. And the correct answer is inverted and highly diminished. Next question comes here. A student obtained a sharp inverted image of a distant tree on the screen placed behind a convex lens. He then removed the screen and tried to look through the lens in the direction of object he would now observe. Option A, blurred image on the wall of laboratory. Option B, erect image of the tree on lens. Option C, no image as the screen has been removed. Option D, an inverted image of the tree at the focus of lens. And the correct answer is an inverted image of tree at focus of lens. Next question comes here. An object is placed 20 cm in front of a plane mirror. The mirror is moved 2 cm toward the object. The distance between the position of the original and final images seen in the mirror is: option A, 2 cm, option B, 4 cm, option C, 10 cm, option D, 22 cm. And the correct answer is 4 cm. Next question comes here. Focal length of plane mirror is: option A, infinity, option B, 0, option C, negative, option D, none of these. And the correct answer is at infinity. Next question comes here. Which of the following can make parallel beam of light when light from a point source is incident on it? Option A, concave mirror as well as convex lens. Option B, convex mirror as well as concave lens. Option C, two plane mirror placed at 90 degree to each other. Option D, concave mirror as well as concave lens. And the correct answer is concave mirror as well as convex lens. Next question comes here. In order to obtain a magnification of -0.6 with a concave mirror, the object must be placed: option A, at the focus; option B, between pole and focus; option C, between focus and center of curvature; option D, beyond the center of curvature. And the correct answer is beyond the center of curvature. Next question comes here. A ray of light that strikes a plane mirror PQ at an angle of incidence of 30 degree is reflected from the plane mirror and then strikes a second plane mirror QR placed at right angles to the first mirror. The angle of reflection at the second mirror is: option A, 30 degree, option B, 45 degree, option C, 60 degree, option D, 90 degree. And the correct answer is 60 degree. Next question comes here. A 10 mm long all pin is placed vertically in front of concave mirror. A 5 mm long image of the all pin is formed at 30 cm in front of the mirror. Focal length of this mirror is: option A, -30 cm, option B, -20 cm, option C, -40 cm, option D, -60 cm. And the correct answer is -20 cm. Next question comes here. A man runs toward the plane mirror at 2 meters per second. Relative speed of his image with respect to him will be: option A, 4 meters per second, option B, 2 meters per second, option D, 8 meters per second, option C, 10 meters per second. And the correct answer is 4 meters per second. Next question comes here. An object is placed at 100 mm in front of concave mirror which produces an upright image. The radius of curvature of the mirror is: option A, less than 100 mm, option B, between 100 and 200 mm, option C, exactly 200 mm, option D, more than 200 mm. And the correct answer is more than 200 mm. Next question comes here. A concave mirror gives real, inverted and same size image if the object is placed: option A, at focus, option B, at infinity, option C, at center, option D, beyond center. And the correct answer is at C. Next question comes here. Under which of the following conditions a concave mirror can form an image larger than the actual object? Option A, when the object is kept at a distance equal to its radius of curvature. Option B, when object is kept at a distance less than its focal length. Option C, when object is placed between the focus and center of curvature. Option D, when object is kept at a distance greater than its radius of curvature. And the correct answer is when object is placed between focus and center of curvature. Next question comes here. A concave lens forms the image of an object which is option A virtual, inverted and diminished, option B virtual, upright and diminished, option C virtual, inverted and enlarged, option D virtual, upright and enlarged. And the correct answer is virtual, upright and diminished. Next question comes here. Which position of the object will produce a magnified virtual image if a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm is being used? Option A 10 cm, option B 20 cm, option C 30 cm, option D 35 cm. And the correct answer is 10 cm. Next question comes here. Power of the lens is -40. Its focal length is option A 4 meter, option B -40 meter, option C 0.25 meter, option D -25 meter. And the correct answer is -0.25 meter. Next question comes here. Which of the given is not paired correctly? Option A solar furnace or concave mirror, option B rear view mirror or convex mirror, option C magnifying glass or convex lens, option D none of these. And the correct answer is none of these. Next question comes here. A concave mirror produces a magnification of +4. The object is placed option A at focus, option B between focus and center of curvature, option C between focus and pole, option D beyond center of curvature. And the correct answer is between focus and pole. Next question comes here. A concave mirror gives virtual, refract and enlarge image of the object but image of smaller size than the size of object is option A at infinity, option B between focus and center, option C between P and F, option D at E. And the correct answer is between P and F. Next question comes here. An object is approaching a plane mirror at 5 cm per second. A stationary observer sees the image. At what speed will the image appear to approach the stationary observer? Option A 20 cm per second, option B 10 cm per second, option C 15 cm per second, option D 5 cm per second. And the correct answer is 10 cm per second. Next question comes here. Two mirrors A and B are fitted side by side on wall. A man is standing at such a distance from wall that he can see the erect image of his face in both the mirrors. When the man starts walking toward the mirror, he finds that the size of his face in mirror goes on increasing, but that mirror B remains the same. Options are mirror A is concave and mirror B is convex. Option B mirror A is plane and mirror B is concave. Option C mirror A is concave and mirror B is plane. And the correct answer is mirror A concave and mirror B plane. Next question comes here. In optics, an object which has higher refractive index is called option A optically rarer, option B optically denser, option C optical density, option D refractive index. And the correct answer is optically denser. Next question comes here. Refractive index is dash. Option A depend on the wavelength of light used to measure, option B actual property of the substance, option C depend on the angle of incidence, option D none of these. And the correct answer is depend on the wavelength of lights used to measure. Next question comes here. A ray of light is traveling in a direction perpendicular to the boundary of parallel glass slab. The ray of light is option A refracted toward the normal, option B refracted away from normal, option C refracted along the same path, option D does not get refracted. And the correct answer is does not get refracted. Next question comes here. Optical phenomena twinkling of star is due to option A atmospheric reflection, option B total reflection, option C atmospheric refraction, option D total refraction. And the correct answer is atmospheric refraction. Next question comes here. Which of the following statement is true? Option A convex lens has 4 diopter power having focal length 0.25 meter. Option B convex lens has -4 diopter power having a focal length 0.25 meter. Option C concave lens has 4 diopter power having a focal length 0.25 meter. Option D a concave lens has -4 diopter power having a focal length 0.25 meter. And the correct answer is a convex lens has 4 diopter and focal length of 0.25 meter. Next question comes here. A hunter wants to shoot a fish whose image can be seen through clear water. It is aimed to be option A below image of fish, option B above the image of fish, option C directly toward the image, Option D, in any direction. And the correct answer is below the image of fish. Next question comes here. A ray of light passes from medium X to another medium Y. No refraction of light occurs if the ray of light hit the boundary of medium Y at an angle of option A 120, option B 90, option C 45, option D 0. And the correct answer is 90. Next question comes here. Convex lens focus a real point size image at focus. Object is placed option A at focus, option B between f and 2f, option C at infinity, option D at 2f. And the correct answer is at infinity. Next question comes here. Magnification produced by a rear view mirror fitted in vehicles. Option A less than 1, option B more than 1, option C equal to 1, option D can be more than or less than 1 depending upon the position of the object in front of it. And the correct answer is less than 1. Next question comes here. On heating a liquid, the refractive index generally option A increase, option B decrease, option C does not change, option D increase or decrease depending upon rate of heating. And the correct answer is decreases. Next question comes here. A lens of focal length 12 cm forms an erect image 3 times the size of the object. The distance between the object and image is option A 8 cm, option B 16 cm, option C 24 cm, option D 36 cm. And the correct answer is 16 cm. Next question comes here. Unit of power of lens is option A meter, option B centimeter, option C diopter, option D M1. And the correct answer is diopter. Next question comes here. A lens has power of 0.5 diopter. It is option A concave lens of focal length 5 meter, option B convex lens of focal length 2 meter, option C convex lens of focal length 5 meter, option D a concave lens of focal length 2 meter. And the correct answer is convex lens of focal length 2 meter. Next question comes here. If an object is placed 21 cm from a converging lens, image form is slightly smaller than object. If the object is placed at a distance of 19 cm from the lens, image formed is slightly larger than the object. Approximate focal length of the lens is option A 20 cm, option B 18 cm, option C 10 cm, option D 5 cm. And the correct answer is 10 cm. Next question comes here. Radius of curvature of a mirror is 20 cm. The focal length is option A 20 cm, option B 10 cm, option C 40 cm, option D 5 cm. And the correct answer is 10 cm. Next question comes here. In order to increase the magnifying power of a microscope, option A objective should have larger focal length and eyepiece should have small focal length. Option B focal power of the objective and the eyepiece should be larger. Option C objective should have small focal length and the eyepiece should have larger focal length. Option D the focal length of objective and eyepiece should be large. And the correct answer is objective should have larger focal length and eyepiece should have small focal length. Next question comes here. Using a convex lens, a clear image of candle flame is produced on a screen. How many other clear images can be received on this screen if only the lens is to be shifted? Option A large number, option B only one more, option C 2 more, option D none of these. And the correct answer is only one more. Next question comes here. Deviation of light ray from its path when it travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called option A reflection, option B refraction, option C dispersion, option D scattering. And the correct answer is refraction. Next question comes here. When light moves through vacuum, option A violet has greater speed than red, option B red has greater speed than violet, option C all color have the same speed, option D different color have different random speed. And the correct answer is all color have same speed. Next question comes here. Magnifying power of a compound microscope is the ratio of the angle formed by the final image to the angle formed by the object when option A image is at the least distance of distinct vision and object may be anywhere. Option B object and image are both at infinity. Option C object and image are both at the least distance of distinct vision. Option D object is placed at the least distance of distinct vision and image may be at any place. And the correct answer is object placed at least distance of distinct vision and image may be at any place. सो गाइज यही थे हमारे टॉप एमसीक्यूज। एंड यार इन एमसीक्यूज के पीडीएफ का लिंक तुम्हें नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा और उसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं, तो प्लीज़ उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लेना। और चैनल पे नया हो तो हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन, बिकॉज जितने चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सभी के एमसीक्यूज तुम्हें कुछ इसी प्रकार से मिल रहे होंगे। ठीक, सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, गुड बाय।